We're here at the Red Roof in South St. Louis off of Hampton. I got Dan. I'm gonna check up on how this old thing is doing. Oh wow.
Not exactly what I was expecting to see. It's a former Series 1.
Huh. Oh wow. They completely redid this.
Yeah. Fresh.
This must have just gotten done.
Non-proprietary. Might be like one of the baby longs, a bit this like advanced. Seems like a quality mod with without a sharp rise controller. Do you have to see it censor sharp rise in your video? Although it doesn't look like it has a two-way video on it.
Not required around here.
You know, it's not required over here.
Huh. Well, that was a surprise.
Yeah, that's it.